Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover a lost partition on your hard drive. Losing access to a partition on your hard drive can be frustrating and scary, but there are steps you can take to try to recover the data on the partition. In this video, we'll go over some common causes of lost partitions and show you how to use tools and techniques to recover your data. Before we get into the recovery process, let's take a look at some of the common causes of lost partitions. One common cause is a damaged or corrupted file system. The file system is the data structure that organizes the files on your hard drive, and if it becomes damaged, you may lose access to your partitions. Another common cause is a problem with the partition table. The partition table is a data structure on your hard drive that stores information about the partitions on the drive. If the partition table is damaged or corrupted, you may be unable to access the partitions on your drive. Physical damage to the hard drive itself can also cause lost partitions. If the drive becomes damaged, the data on the partitions may become inaccessible. Now that we've looked at some of the common causes of lost partitions, let's talk about how to recover them. The first step is to determine the cause of the problem. If the lost partition was caused by a damaged or corrupted file system, you may be able to fix the problem by using a file system check utility. For example, if the partition is formatted as NTFS, you can use the checkdisk command to scan the partition and fix any errors. If the lost partition was caused by a problem with the partition table, you can try using a partition recovery or repair tool to scan the hard drive and rebuild the partition table. This can allow you to access the partitions on the drive again. You will get a detailed how-to in this video. If the lost partition was caused by physical damage to the hard drive, you might need to seek the help of a professional data recovery service. They will have the specialized tools and expertise to recover the data from a physically damaged hard drive. But the price for such services could be high enough. In any case, it's essential to act quickly if you lose access to a partition. The longer you wait, the more likely it is that the data on the partition will become permanently lost. To determine the cause of the problem, download for free partition recovery software from diskinternals.com. Then launch partitionrecovery.exe. Select full recovery mode. Now you're happily browsing your newly recovered files. Then you can get a license and export recovered files into a safe place. Magic! In this video, we've covered some common causes of lost partitions and showed you how to recover a lost partition using the reliable tool, Disk Internals Partition Recovery. Remember, if you lose access to a partition, the first step is to download partition recovery software to determine the cause of the problem and get suggestions on the appropriate actions. With the right steps, you can recover your data and regain access to your partitions. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your partition recovery.